Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Lost Custom Offsets. Today's video, we are going to be reacting to
Rick Jr.
Today, we're going to be reacting to some of the crazy Middle Eastern truck scene videos where they're like two-wheeling and they're like driving all crazy.
You know, I saw Omar do this at one point in time.
Shout out Omar. Put the video.
I'm picturing the video just right here.
Put the video right now. Show him. Show him.
Right here.
Stop moving. That makes the videographer hate their job. Anyways, guys, before I hop to it, if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, accessory, CustomOffsets.com. We're also doing another giveaway. Pick up this t-shirt. It's pretty sick. And get yourself entered to win a full bill giveaway. CustomOffsets.com/giveaway. Are you ready?
Let's do it.
All right, let's watch these videos.
This is how they meet up, is they all join on the highway in their little samurais or whatever those are.
Yeah.
On two wheels.
Oh my goodness.
Look at, there's literally dudes standing. What the? People stand with their feet out the windows.
I want to know how many deaths come out of this.
They're gonna get crushed if that thing falls over. Their legs are literally.
Oh, how many deaths come out of the Middle Eastern truck scene? I want to know that.
Look at, they like spray paint words on the top of the roof because it's angled so much that you can see what they say.
Yeah, what does it say?
It says Lawson's a little bitch.
Wow.
Look at that. They go from one side to the other and maintain the balance. Like, what the hell?
Like, Hollywood needs to hire these guys for stunt drivers. This is crazy. Don't turn it up. I don't even know how to turn it down. Look at decent. All right, I think we saw enough. These
Oh, he's got his hazards on though. That's smart. This guy, even though he's on the highway on two wheels, gotta have the hazards on.
They're driving down the wrong side of the highway.
That's the right side over in yonder.
I don't think so.
They just own the highway at this point, I'm pretty sure. If you saw someone going the opposite way down the highway on two wheels balanced like that, are you gonna say anything? I feel like I'd just be like, I didn't see that.
No. And then
you see Snapchat story and
you see that sort of stuff around here too. Like everyone kind of like.
You see a lot of two-wheel driving samurais
No, but like people will shut down highways to do all sorts of crazy stuff. So I'm not surprised by that.
Whoa, that's you. That's literally your truck.
That is literally my truck. How?
He's almost riding on the wheel itself. He's like hella angled. How is this even possible? Like, think of how much that truck weighs. And it just casually, oh my God.
I'm gonna go try it with my truck.
Let me know how it goes. Do you want more offset stance or less aggressive stance though? What's the strat behind it, you know?
Stock.
But is 14 wide gonna be better? You could basically ride with your like wheel sideways, you're gonna curb the shit out of it, but you could just drive around with your like wheel face down on the road.
That's true. We should start something on our website that tailors to two-wheel driving.
And then you could also add reverse camber kits. So instead of it going like this, like cars do, you can go like this, so you got better balance when you're like sideways on the road.
New market.
Yep.
Like the other ones were crazy because, I don't know, it's just crazy to be up on two-wheel. Like, look how hard he whips that in there. And then it's just straight up and he's good. Like the other trucks were like the SUVs obviously are a lot more tippy, but to throw a half-ton truck.
Just like, sideways, and you just like lock it in and you're good.
Yeah. Like that's
so
nuts.
Weird to me. Does he have sandbags in the back?
Oh, strats right there.
Literally all loaded to one side.
So they stuff sandbags to one side that you're gonna be balancing on to help with your balance.
What is this? He's got a giant sticker also and shit.
Yeah, you don't need to see. Look
Sticker's awful inconvenient.
That dude's like damn near sideways.
They're literally almost laying on the highway. And I don't.
Oh my God.
How long do you think their tires last? 2 days? The sidewalls just give out after a day?
All right, let's hop into some more. I was told that there's a couple other videos in here, so let's see how crazy some of these other people get. Sand dune jumping in Qatar.
I play guitar. Oh boy, here we go. Is that a 4Runner or a Sequoia? Is that a Sequoia? I don't know what it is, but it's jumping way more than my Bronco does.
Do you hear the limiter? Oh! Yeah, they're just kind of sending it. I want to see a big jump.
Oh.
Or a rollover.
They're about to roll over. Look at that dune buggy thing.
That thing's sick.
That thing's really cool. There's literally just like stock, whatever that is, there's 9 million of them. Is it a 4Runner, an old 4Runner? There's 9 million of those, and then that one actual like off-road buggy.
Look how many of them are out there.
That's all they drive. What the hell?
I kind of want to go to the dunes.
I know in like Michigan, they have like Bronco clubs that'll go out to the dunes and shit. Is Is that a 4Runner, a Toyota 4Runner club that all goes out to their dunes
Probably.
together and just jumps the shit out of them?
Out in the Middle East, are you like either part of like the drift / two-wheel riding scene, or you're part of the off-road? Like here, it's like show trucks are off-road, and there it's like
are you balancing your wheels or are you jumping ditches?
All right, on to the next one. This one says
uphill sand drag race with more huge turbos. So did they have huge turbos and they added more huge turbos?
Must have been.
They're literally just in the middle of whatever giant ass desert that is, the Sahara.
I'm not sure what's out there.
What is that? Is that a Nissan Titan thing, but
like different
with turbos and
with like a fiberglass body?
Way cool shit, yeah.
Look at the size of those turbos. Look, that could be you.
I don't know about that.
You should do that to the Bronco.
Look, they have like a hood exit, but no hood.
Yeah.
Probably because it's 9 million degrees there. All right, let's see some racing.
All right, let's see this racing.
Look at these turbos. They just slap them on and they're like, okay, it's there, we're done. 3 classes, 6-cylinder manual gearbox, 6-cylinder auto, and V8.
Ooh.
There's no turbo class, so they must all just have turbos.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Holy shit.
Did he just?
He blew it up.
He blew it up. Oh my God. All right, never mind. I changed my mind. I want to go to the Middle East. Oh, keep her straight.
Yeah.
Keep her straight.
They're attempting to follow the laser as they're also trying to keep it straight on the sand because they couldn't drag race on concrete. It's got to be on sand.
That was the first dude. That was the first dude who made it. He made it in 9.1 seconds. Through sand.
Up a hill.
Up a hill. In the dark.
In the dark. They must be like everyone with their headlights on top of another like dune pointing down there, and then by the time they get up the next one, it's dark again.
Oh my God.
Oh, he blew up in 2 seconds.
Yeah, he blew up really quick. I feel like there's a lot of blow-ups.
Well, yeah, did you see how their setups were? It was like, throw it on there, tighten her down, and hopefully it works.
Yeah, who needs a tune? And then imagine getting like half to 3/4 the way up the hill and you got to roll all the way
yeah,
back.
how do they get back down? They don't show that, do they?
No, they just been showing them rolling backwards. But they don't show us the collision at the end of the hill. That's what I want to see.
That guy went far.
That's it. I'm slapping a huge turbo on the XJ.
You could.
It's my calling. Right, no tune, just my 4.0 and my big turbo setup, and we'll be set. And I got my show truck and my stupid XJ.
They need to make a Fast and Furious Middle East.
Universal, I don't know if you're hearing this, but if you stumble across this, make it happen. All right, I think that's enough of seeing that because obviously we could watch that all day long. Like I'm literally gonna go back to my desk after this video and watch all of this. I dig this scene more. This is my favorite scene so far. We've seen multiple scenes in the Middle East.
You don't like the dudes jumping over the little hills in the sand with their 4Runners?
No, that was whack. Imagine these dudes with the big turbos jumping the hills. Hill climb V8.
Liwa,
up to 3,600 horsepower. This thing looks like a unit.
Jeez.
Oh. That's what I need in my life.
Whatever that thing is.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He just doesn't stop. What? Oh my, 7 seconds? Oh my God, 7 seconds is impressive on flat concrete. Not up a sandy hill. Look at that thing.
Oh my God. You know how loud that's got to be sitting in the cab?
Probably extremely.
Oh, there's literally flames. 8 flames.
That's insane. What are your overall thoughts? What do you think about the Middle Eastern truck scene?
I'd say it's a little more extreme than here. A lot less aftermarket wheels.
Yeah.
But still just as entertaining as our truck scene.
Yeah, a lot less show, a lot more go. And
a lot more turbo.
And a lot more craziness. I still don't get the whole two-wheel thing. It's freaking crazy. You never catch me doing that. This stuff I would go watch in a heartbeat. This looks
That's
insane.
Crazy. That sand blows my mind. It's like, how do you keep it straight? And like this one, especially compared to the last one, it's even narrower like lanes it looks like.
Yeah.
How do you, I don't know, that's nuts.
Yeah, it's insane. All right guys, that's what we got for you guys on today's video of reviewing the Middle Eastern truck scene. Let us know you guys' thoughts down in the comment section below. If you guys have a truck scene that you would like us to review, definitely also let us know down in the comment section below. If you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, accessories, customoffsets.com. See you guys in the next one.
We should do Antarctica next. Peace.